Here's how Gabor Weber from ADI Leak Detection found and fixed a hidden water leak at a property in Leighton Buzzard. Gabor Weber attended a property in Leighton Buzzard on behalf of ADI Leak Detection, using acoustic equipment, thermal imaging and moisture mapping to trace a hidden water leak. The leak was located and repaired. And here's what customer Shaun Kirtley said. "Having had another leak detection firm charge me a fortune to try and tell me there was no leak, ADI came to visit today. Gabor, our engineer, was brilliant and located the leak within a couple of hours under the floor in the hallway. He then dug out the area and replaced the area of pipework, solving our problem. This has been going on for months. I only wish we had found ADI earlier. Highly recommended." For leak detection in Leighton Buzzard, call ADI Leak Detection on 0800 731 3843.